Tuning a C5 Vet today. It's got a BTR Stage 3 LS1 cam in it, and we just finished wiring up the nitrous system here. He already had the solenoids and everything installed, so we just went ahead and did the wiring. Got the window switch right here installed on it, got it set up, and gonna go ahead and get started getting it tuned up. Alright, so I was playing around with some idle tuning on it, and one thing I just noticed is that the intake air temp is reading at -38, so I think we have an issue with a sensor or something like that going on. There's some kind of problem there, so we need to look into that, because it is going to run super rich, and judging by the way the exhaust tips look, it looks like it's been running super rich for a while. So gonna dig into that a little bit and see if we can resolve the problem there. But other than that, everything else seems to be okay, so we'll go ahead and get into it. Alright, just got a new intake temp sensor delivered. Gonna go throw this in and see if this fixes our -38-degree intake air temp. Obviously it's the end of August and it is not -38 degrees in Kentucky. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in and see where that lands us, and then hopefully if that fixes everything we'll get back to tuning.